lesson, I'm going to take you through preparing your references for the sculpture. What that means is basically that you're going to be taking pictures of yourself or your subject and getting all the different angles, all the different views of that person's head. Typically, it's easy just to do the front, the left, the back, and the right sides. And so you can get a real nice profile view and use all the different angles to just have them fit right into your sculpture. So it's really just kind of a cheat tool. It's good for using when you're trying to do some speed sculpting, but it's also good just to have as a reference for whatever your subject is.
In this lesson, we're going to learn to prepare your references. Step 1, take a picture of all sides of the subject. Be sure to take the front, left, right, and back. In the second step, we're actually going to tape down the image with the clay flattened underneath it. In step 3, trace an outline by poking holes through the image into the clay. This will give you the shape where you can kind of draw that out once it's finished. And now in step 4, just carve out the shape that you just did with the dotted lines. Then you can remove the excess clay. And now let's bake the clay. In step 5, place the final clay shape on an aluminum pan and prepare to bake. Use the following instructions for the thickness of your clay. Then finally, repeat steps through 1 through 5. This series will basically be a framework for the clay that you're using for all side views, and you can kind of come back to that and use it as a reference. So keep those handy throughout the whole process. You now have a reference you can use as you're building the clay model. In the next lesson, we'll take a look at how to make an armature out of wire framing and get the foundation of your sculpture set up. So stay tuned. Be sure to join our creative community at infocusarts.com.